Actually, all our queens.
Calling all the queens to please help us go out.
Calling all the queens to award.
Yes.
We have other queen. Let us wait for
Miss Rita.
Oo. Tinatawagan ang lahat ng reyna sa balat ng lupa.
Oo nga. Nakatulog lang talaga ako.
Oo. Pero
Hindi ako nakasali.
Feel na feel mo, Jelly, nung mag-a-announce mo, nakatingin ka pa sa taas. Ano meron?
Ilaw.
Nandun ba yung bertud?
Grabe, it's all worth the wait.
Yes, tama.
Once again, ladies, congratulations. And of course, to all our 19 lovely candidates.
That's right.
Congratulations.
And to all our judges tonight, thank you very
so much.
Thank
And to
you
all
so
our
much.
guests, maraming salamat.
Families and friends, maraming salamat for coming.
And we hope to see you all next year.
Yes, of course.
Kami tatlo po yung sasali.
Okay, so, are you ready?
Here we go. Our official tabulation will be posted in Facebook. There you go. Sa mga gusto pong tingnan ang ating official tabulation, it will be posted on Facebook.
Sa Facebook fan page.
So it will be open to the public.
Yes.
That's right.
Very transparent ang ating mga results. Exactly.
Okay, so I think all queens are gathered to crown the Mrs. Philippines Asia Pacific Worldwide, and she is none other than
contestant number
3. Congratulations, everyone! Thank you so much for being here and for supporting.